people on. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Arctic Vet YouTube channel. My name is Trevor, and today, oh, Audie's trying to poke his head in. We are going to be talking about our 2020 goals, what they were, how we did, and whoa, I'm tripping on Riley. What we didn't do. So first off, one of our goals for 2020 was to pay off. That was not one of our goals. That will never be one of our goals. So, on that note, thanks for that bombshell, Audie.
Guys, look. I'm a monkey now.
Oh, I hear you, kitty. Alright, anyhow, one of our goals, back to where we were saying, was to pay off the Corvette. And guess what? We did that. We paid the Corvette off. It is paid off. Now, yeah, it's not running. The transmission's blown up again pretty much. I need to get a new one. You gotta move those fingers right there. No, stop. Goal of 2020 was to get $10,000 saved. Well, COVID came along and destroyed any savings that we had. So, for our third one, let's step on into that. It was to wrap the Corvette. And as you guys see, we definitely wrapped the Corvette, not once, but twice. One with a real wrap, the teal that everybody loved. But the second time with, what are those, Cohen? Christmas lights?
Yeah,
Yes. We do need more. Well, Christmas is over, and so now we are done. We're actually going to take the Christmas lights wrap off. So that's a goal that we like doubled up on. Wrapping the Corvette, absolutely loved it. Wrapped it in Christmas lights, absolutely loved it. And at the end of this video, I will put a picture of it teal. I'll go first white, then teal, and then the Christmas lights at night, because it was an amazing year for the wraps, so to say, of the Corvette. Maybe not the transmission or anything else on the car, but that's okay, that's another time. So for our final goal, well, we had a couple actually. There was an Instagram goal of 2K subscribers. Didn't even hit 1K because this entire year I've been bouncing between 920 to 950, and I'm stuck there. It's like a wall, and so I'm not too worried about it, honestly. I enjoy all of you that do follow me on Instagram. I lately have ran out of pictures and photo shoots, and I need to do some more. So why don't we just grab one right here? Try and get the boys in the background there. Yeah, there we go. Playing in the mud hole. So that one, not worried about. Now, just tell you how much the car sat. Calipers all roasted up. We had a goal of getting 1,000 subscribers, and currently we are sitting at 294, and that alone blew me away, because that's almost like a 200, almost 300% increase from last year. Like, holy cow, guys, this is amazing. We went from 100 last year to all the way to nearly 300 this year. It's insane.
And look how much we broke.
Look at all this ice. We were thinking about making a mud in the Corvette video, but nah, she's okay. She'll be just fine. So those were our 2020 goals. And we got a Nerf gun down here and one bullet. Cone's got one shot. You better make it, bud. So I think Cone's gonna shoot me. I don't know. we had an amazing year, even though it was a struggle like no other. It was still a good year. Yee. Live life to the fullest. Let's go. So be looking forward to next year because we're gonna have some stuff to do. A lot of stuff to do. Oh, that was cool. It kind of focused on the Corvette right there. Yeah, perfect. I wonder why. Weird.
Dad, this is how
So,
you
look forward to next year. Oh my gosh, you're drawing on the car. You're gonna ruin the paint.
No,
Everybody's
YouTube.
gonna drop comments saying don't do that. Oh no.
No, like YouTube.
Good thing it's just a Ford.
It's YouTube.
Anyways, thank you guys for sticking with us this year through all the struggles. Thank you guys for helping support us. We really appreciate you. We hope that you had a wonderful year. You found a way to have a wonderful year this year. We hope that you have a beautiful 2021, and we will catch you guys next year
Video.
in tomorrow's video. I just wanted to say that. It sounded cool. It's like it's gonna be next year, but you know, it's just tomorrow. So smash that thumbs up button. Click the red subscribe button.
And link the
What else should they do?
Link the bell
Ring that bell.
and do comments below. Do
Don't
comments
shoot,
below.
Cohen.
Do comments below.
Yes, comments down below. Oh, on that note. Oh, I've been shot.